If you lead an active lifestyle or like to be in or around water, the Cochlear Nucleus 8 Activity Kit has everything you need. The Nucleus 8 sound processor is IP68 rated waterproofed right out of the box. This means you can confidently listen without the Aqua Plus doing any of these types of activities: swimming in fresh water, swimming in a pool, exercising, or standing in the sprinklers or the rain. However, for more prolonged or intensive activities, an Aqua Plus is necessary. These can include saltwater activities such as swimming in the ocean, swimming at a depth of more than 3 feet in fresh or salt water, snorkeling, standing in a waterfall or under intense rushing water. The Aqua Plus is designed to be used up to 50 times. In your kit, you will have 2 sleeves. To use it, remove the coil and ear hook from your Nucleus 8 sound processor. Slide the sound processor into the Aqua Plus sleeve, and then push the plug in as far as it will go. Take your Aqua Plus coil and snap it into place. For retention, you can use the included safety line. For demonstration purposes, I have one pre-threaded and attached to the Aqua Plus. To attach the shirt clip, lift up on the small lever and click it shut. You can also use the mic lock stirrup with or without the safety line. Snap the stirrup into the dimples at the base of the Aqua Plus. Find the right length of tubing to hold the Aqua Plus in place comfortably behind your ear. Cut the tubing to the required length and push the cut end of the tubing over the ear hook as far as you can. Once fitted, you can leave your mic lock stirrup on your Aqua Plus. You can also purchase replacement Aqua Plus sleeves at the online Cochlear store. With the activity kit, you are ready to take on the water.